Hello and welcome to the tip of the week. This week's topic is pin an app to the Start menu in Windows 11. Do you ever wonder if there's an easier way to get to an app on your PC or laptop? By pinning the app to your Start menu or taskbar, you can make it easier to locate within 1 or 2 clicks. Let's look at how to pin an app to the Start menu. Click on the Windows icon in the taskbar to the left of the search text box. In the Start menu, click All in the upper right corner. Right-click on the app you want to pin and click Pin to Start. Do you have questions about using Windows 11? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.